Welcome to 895 Lady Bird Lane in Orange City. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, just under 2,000 square feet, full of upgrades. Come check it out. Check out the beautiful quartz countertops. This open kitchen is great for entertaining and hosting friends all year long. Some of my favorite features of the home is its wine bar and wine cellar. It has a fully fenced in backyard with a dog run, and it also has solar panels that will be fully paid off at closing, minimizing your energy bill. So if you want to see more of this home or tour it today, reach out to our team.